Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today I am sharing peanut bar and sesame seed recipe. It is so delicious, so crunchy, and I'm going to show you how to make it in a very few easy steps. All we need to make this is peanuts, of course, roasted peanuts, which I'm going to crush gently like this. This is what it looks like after crushing. And of course we need sesame seeds. I cleaned these by rinsing in water and then gently scooping it out of water to remove tiny stones. Afterwards, I sun-dried it and this is what it looks like. If you're in Nigeria and you want to buy this, just ask the Igbo women that you want bene seeds. That is what it is commonly known as. Because if you say sesame seeds, they may not understand what you're saying. So I fried this on low heat for about 5 minutes and then I set it aside. In a pan, I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of sugar and I'm going to melt it and allow it to caramelize just a bit. Afterwards, I'm going to go in with the crushed peanut, stir it in, and of course, immediately, I'm going to also add the roasted sesame seeds and combine it very well until everything is well coated with the melted sugar. While you're melting the sugar, I'll suggest that you quickly oil a wok top with oil or margarine. This is where you're going to be spreading out the mixture so that the mixture doesn't stick to this board. So immediately I'm going to transfer these onto the board. You want to do this as fast as you can because once it cools, it will harden and you will not be able to spread it out and then cut into your desired shapes. So try and do this as quickly as you can. Besides, it wasn't too hot for me to deal with, so it was good. You can cut into any shape that you like. I cut into really nice squares. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, you want to do that now so you can see more of my recipes and useful tips and tricks. You can replace sugar with honey for a healthier treat. After cutting, allow it to cool completely, and what you will end up with is super crunchy, delicious nutty bars. I enjoyed this so much and I still have some in my fridge. You can store these in an airtight container and it will last for weeks. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.